In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute conversations on Facebook Messenger. If you're getting constant pings from a busy chat but don't want to leave or block anyone, muting is the perfect solution. It simply silences notifications for that conversation while keeping all your messages and media accessible whenever you're ready. Start by opening the Messenger app on your device. Give it a moment to load your inbox. You'll land on your main message list, which is the Chats view. This is where all your recent conversations appear, from one-on-one threads to group chats. If you're already inside a conversation, just navigate back so you can see the full list of chats. Next, find the conversation you want to mute. Press and hold on that chat until a menu appears on screen. This long press is the key. Think of it like right-clicking with your finger. A small panel will pop up with several options related to that conversation. From that menu, choose Mute Notifications, or you might simply see Mute depending on your app version. Both options do the same thing. They turn off alerts for that specific chat without changing anything else about the conversation. You'll now be prompted to pick how long you want to mute it. Select the duration that fits your situation. 15 minutes is handy for a quick focus session. 1 hour is great for a short meeting, and 24 hours works well if you need a full day of quiet. If you really want peace of mind, choose until I turn it back on. That keeps the conversation muted indefinitely, and you can return to normal notifications later whenever you decide. After you've chosen the time period, tap OK or Confirm to finalize it. That's it. Your conversation is now muted. You'll still receive messages in that thread, but your phone won't buzz or display notification banners for it while the mute is active. The chat remains in your inbox, and you can open it any time to catch up. Muting doesn't delete anything, it doesn't mark messages as read, and the other person or group won't be notified that you muted them. If you change your mind, you can reverse this the same way. Press and hold the conversation again, and choose the option to turn notifications back on. Muting works the same for both individual and group chats, and it's a respectful way to manage busy threads without leaving them. And that's how to mute conversations on Facebook Messenger quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.